If you have been using 1688 Chinese shopping app to ship import products from China for a very long time, or you are new to using 1688 Chinese shopping app to ship products from China, here is an amazing and incredible features for every buyer that you are going to love, and I'm going to unveil it to you right here in this video. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund a Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and open up my 1688 Chinese shopping app. Then having opened up your 1688 Chinese shopping app, first thing first, you need to make sure you update your app to a latest version. And if you don't know how to update your app to a latest version, let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to click on here to go to your profile. On getting to your profile, next thing you want to do is to click on here. It takes you right here. Go ahead and scroll down right here and make sure you click on here. So at the time of making this video, the current version of 1688 app is 11.75.0.0. So if you do not have this version right here, you will not be able to see the upcoming features for every buyer on 1688 Chinese shopping app. So what you need to do right here is to simply click on here. Once you click on here, then it will ask you to download the latest version, download the update and install it, and you are good to go. As at the time of making this video, I have already downloaded and updated my app, just like what you see right here. Now, let's go ahead and explore the new features for every buyer that is coming soon on 1688 Chinese shopping app. It is an incredible feature anyway, so let's go back. So right here on my 1688 dashboard right here, as you can see, I'm using the latest version. So for you to have access to regular pricing, discounted promo, etc., for every buyer on 1688 Chinese shopping app, simply click on here. Then it's going to pump up right here. Now, as you can see right here, this buyer benefit here is coming up right here. So you can see the launching date right here. Now, once they launch this particular features, what do you get right here? So you can see different things that you are going to get right here. You are going to unlock all these features once this particular feature is completely updated. So once they update the app, then next thing you need to do is to enroll for it. Once you enroll for it, then you can begin to, you have customer support dedication right here. So you have you can check the product on cart. You can use this icon right here. So this is for customer section right here. So right here you have some products in cart. Right here you have some pricing. So here you can determine the product pricing as displayed by different supplier across China in this particular section right here. This is a return and this is a refund process, and this is a refund process, and this is a after sales refund, and this is the product you are paid for. Everything is going to be found right here. So you can read detail from this section right here. Once it's launched, consider to take the opportunity and start shop product at a very cheap price in this particular section right here. This is an amazing new feature for every buyer on 1688 Chinese shopping app. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how to ship import products from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.